Hello students, welcome to all of you. In previous lecture, we have started the chapter number 4 Introduction to M-Commerce. Today, we are going to start the topic Advantages, Disadvantages of M-Commerce and Online Payment App. Lecture number 2nd. So let us start. First point, advantages of M-Commerce. Students, a very popular term nowadays, M-Commerce or mobile commerce, basically means conducting online activities like the online buying and selling of goods and services, doing transaction, paying service bill, etc. You cannot use your laptop or PC everywhere, but yes, you can use your mobile phone easily. You can do online shopping while traveling, transfer money easily with the help of mobile phone. Thus, this wireless solution is very much helpful and rising day by day. The quick development of mobile commerce has been driven by various elements: wireless handheld, gadget, registering power, and expansion of M-Trade application and the wide goal of security issues. First advantage is it provides a very convenient and easy to use the system to conduct business transaction. Next is mobile commerce has a very wide reach. It use the system to conduct business transaction. Next is M-Commerce also help businesses target customer according to their location service provider. Next advantage is the cost of company also reduce. And M-Commerce provide more credibility. So M-Commerce will help you in increasing a new marketing channel as you can easily sell your product to end user. Mobile commerce make it simple to find the item accessible in the market by using the wireless gadget. Also, you don't need to go to the store to buy your necessities. Instead, you can purchase item online. This will save your time and reduce your effort. Okay. So, M-Commerce is the cost effective as you can cut marketing combine expenses as you can reach your customer with a mobile app, and also it has reduced the staff workload and has become more effective and productive than before. Okay. And student also mobile commerce can encourage you with traditional retail sale. Thus M-Commerce is developing day by day and it will keep on advancing, putting up a better outstanding position in the retail exchanges. Okay. So this is some advantages of M-Commerce. Next, we will see the disadvantages of M-Commerce. First is smartphone limitation. Need reliable shipment companies. Issues of security, payment fault, quality check, hacking issues. Okay. In rural areas, there is still a lack of availability of a mobile phone and internet connection. Even there are people who are totally unaware of all these facilities. So you can think that still mobile commerce is unknown to several phones. Okay. And also the security issues is still present and there are people who had a fear of losing their personal information. This is the main disadvantages of M-Commerce. And also if your net connection is poor, then you will face an issues and also get irritated in M-Commerce. The massive obstacle for M-Commerce is the internet connection issues. You must have heard of people who don't want to come out their comfort zone, or you can say that they are not ready for the change. There are people who getting into modern technology and some take too much time in adopting new technologies. Okay, so these all are the disadvantages of m-commerce. Next is online payment app. Online payment app or mobile wallet refer to the payment services operated under financial regulation and is performed using a mobile device. The concept of paying using cash, check, debit or credit card is of lately becoming outdated. The new payment mechanism which involve payment for a transaction using the mobile money transfer is gaining momentum. Okay, so the concept of mobile payment is gradually being accepted and adopted across the globe in different ways. So let us start one by one. First app is Paytm. So what is a Paytm? Paytm is India's largest payment company that offer multi-source and multi-destination payment solution. Okay. So Paytm is an Indian commerce payment and digital wallet company based out of Noida, India. The online payment platform allows people to transfer money from their bank account to the Paytm wallet, which further can be used to pay bills at various places such as petrol pump, departmental store, multiplex, parking, hospital and various other places where merchant provide the Paytm money transfer service. Paytm user can also use it to pay bill and book tickets among others. And it is available on the website as well as in the form of mobile application. This gives user option to select the platform with which they are most comfortable. It also gives them freedom to access their Paytm wallet account and make transaction from anywhere and at any time. Next payment app is UPI. UPI means Unified Payment Interface. It enables all bank account holders to send and receive money from their smartphone without the need to enter bank account information or net banking user ID or password. It is a single window mobile payment system developed by the National Payment Corporation of India. UPI can be used to send and receive money from individual or to pay directly to merchant. Okay. Next is BHIM. The full form of BHIM is Bharat Interface for Money. It draws inspiration from the given name of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, the father of the Indian Constitution. The concept of BHIM Android app is simple, ensure the availability of a money transfer option for each and every individual through readily available mobile technology. To facilitate this, the BHIM app feature the use of the user address same as UPI, which is expected to provide a uniform payment platform for sending and receiving money from one bank account to another through mobile phone. It is used to money transfer app is based on UPI system. It is ideally for sending money instantly to any account within India. Another app is PhonePe. PhonePe is an Indian e-commerce payment system and digital wallet company headquartered in Bangalore, India. It was founded in December 2015 by Samir Nigam, Rahul Chari and Burzin Engineer. PhonePe app went live in August 2016 and was the first payment app built on Unified Payment Interface. Okay, it is all in one digital wallet that could be linked to a single debit or credit card or bank account to be used for every online need. The main feature of PhonePe are credit and debit card linking, bank balance check, money store, app to bank account, send and receive money, PIN authorization, bank account linking, etc. Okay. Next is Google Pay. Google Pay is a digital wallet and online payment system that developed by Google to make it easy for you to make purchases. It automatically synchronizes your saved credit card wherever your Google account is logged in for quick payment, and it will import loyalty card, ticket and offer from your Gmail account. Okay, so these all are the online payment apps. Student, today we have completed the unit number 4, Introduction to M-Commerce, and also we have completed the semester 2nd syllabus, Computer Application 2nd. Thank you.